Welcome back everyone. Last time we visited Jerusalem, the holy city, and we saw how the spirit behind much of the religious ritual there today is very much the same as Jesus would have experienced. And we examined his reaction to it. Well, with such a fundamental disagreement growing between him and the religious leaders, it's no wonder he was thankful to get back to Galilee. Mind you, there was to be no escaping criticism and opposition even there, as we shall see. The calm and peace of these surroundings must have been a great blessing to him. The beauty a constant source of joy. But his heart of compassion was always stirring him to further action, and not just to those on this Jewish western side of the lake. The heathen eastern side needed him too. On one occasion, as Jesus sailed over the lake to this eastern side, he was met by a demon-possessed man who came rushing out of the burial caves to greet him. "What do you want with me, Jesus, Son of the Most High God? I beg you, don't torment me." Jesus was already commanding the evil spirits to leave him. A large herd of pigs was feeding here, right up on the hillside. The demons begged Jesus, "Send us into the pigs, let us enter them." He gave them permission, and the great herd, about 2,000 in all, they rushed down this steep hillside into the lake and were drowned. Everyone came out to see what had happened. And when they got to Jesus, they found the man sitting at the feet of Jesus, clothed and in his right mind. And everyone was afraid. The man begged Jesus to allow him to go with him. But Jesus said, "No, you go back home and tell everyone of the great things God has done for you."
Jesus now led his disciples away to the very north of Israel, to the lower slopes of Mount Hermon, where the city of Caesarea Philippi nestled in a beautiful setting. From this towering rock face, the melted snows of Mount Hermon flow out as a complete river, one of the sources of the River Jordan. Such an unusual natural phenomenon was bound to cause people to worship at this site. And very early on we find it a centre of religion, first Canaanite, then Greek. The Greeks always considered grottos like this to be sacred to the god Pan, and that's where the name Panias and later Banias comes from. The mighty niche here would once have contained his statue. But it isn't just with Pan or the earlier Canaanite gods that this site is associated. These excavations have revealed the ruins of the great Roman temple built by Herod the Great in honour of Augustus Caesar.
So why on earth should Jesus take his disciples away to such a place? We'll be looking at that next time. It was to mark the very turning point of the whole of his ministry. I hope you can join me.